Okay, now we're going to measure a customer's part and set it up on the work table without the use of a centering device or a fixture. So any part can be on here without any programming, and we have concentric grooves that are machined into the tilt and center work table, and you set your part on and line it up so that it is from your eye aligned, and bring the probe close, and just before you touch, just make sure you've got clearance. You can still see, I can see that I've got a little bit of wobble, so I can take some more of that out. And using my TIR, I can creep up on it till I'm just in touch with the surface. And when it turns from red to black, I'm in contact. So I just want to make sure a revolution to see when it goes red. I haven't touched yet, so what I'm going to do is find the max peak and move the probe all the way to the other end and see if that brings me on scale. And it does. So then I can just bring that up. So just like that, I'm on scale, which I can take a measurement. But I can also clear the TIR and see how much misalignment I have. And I'm out over 8 thou. I can definitely improve on that. So using the black knobs for centering, I find my extremes of one set going 180 degrees and cut that in half. Then go 180 degrees, and the needle should repeat. It should come back to the same spot on the scale. And then once you're happy with that one, you move to the next set of knobs, 90 degrees, and do the same thing. So working 180 degrees at a time, not being concerned with what's going on in between. Clear the TIR, and I'm at 7/10, 50 millionths. So just like that, I've gone a magnitude better in my alignment. And now I can select roundness and use the motor. And it'll take one revolution. 8,192 pieces of information synchronized to the encoder position and the displacement of that probe, going into the least squares method and filtered, and then with a result of roundness of 7/10, 48 millionths. And my TIR is 8/10, 15 millionths. I've got a dominant harmonic at 2 UPR, and you can see that on the trace. I can save that data by selecting print. I can print it or save it to a file.